In this video, we will show you how to use the Freehand Shapes tool. You can find the Freehand Shapes tool on the Digitize section of the Tools bar. If the icon is not visible, place the mouse cursor on top of the section to reveal all the tools and select the Freehand tool. When the tool is activated, it is like drawing with a pen. Left-click and hold while moving your mouse, and the mouse cursor acts like a pen. As soon as you release the mouse, this section is closed, while the Freehand tool is still active and you can continue creating sections, all of which shall belong to the same object. In this way, you can keep adding sections that you want to be embroidered together. To finalize the created object, right-click once. As you can see, the created sections belong to the same object and they have connecting stitches, so they are embroidered together. The Freehand tool remains active, but if you create any new part, it will be a separate object. You can also create lines. To do so, click once to define the starting point and click once more to define the second point. Between these 2 points, a straight line is created. If you want to continue an existing shape, point your mouse over the starting or ending point and you will see the cursor changing. Click once to continue with a straight line, or click and drag to create a freehand shape. If a starting node meets an end node, then a closed shape is created. To release the tool, right-click once more. If you hold the Alt key pressed down, the mouse cursor snaps on the grid for your convenience. You can adjust the smoothness level from 0 to 10. The closer to 10, the smoother the freehand drawing gets. Finally, have in mind that you can easily create holes if you create any closed shape section on top of another.